Central Daylight Time. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for northeastern DuPage County. At 3:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Glen Ellen, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Addison, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near O'Hare Airport, Elk Grove Village, and Franklin Park around 3:55 p.m. Schiller Park and Rosemont around 4 p.m. Arlington Heights, Des Plaines, Park Ridge, and Rolling Meadows around 4:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Palatine, Mount Prospect, Glenview, Niles, Morton Grove, Prospect Heights, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, Winnetka, Northfield, Deerfield, and Glencoe. This includes Open Community College, including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 67 and 78, Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 35, Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 4, Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 35. Owned zones, tornado warning. 1. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.